sa kinabuhi na kitay kinahanglan i-give up nga mopalayo sa kita ni ining dapita for us to grow, for us to become productive as a human, as a person. And living in this very nature environment is very hard. But for me, dako kay siyang tabang no in terms of searching and looking for a better life and a better future. It's not too late, but for me, this will be a good start para makapadayon sa kinabuhi. I will be miss this place, my hometown, my home, nga matawag na ako nga my comfort home. There are many memories na ako mabilin dari, but when I shall return, pagbalik na ako, I will do all things, my plans na akong buhaton after my journey in Japan. Mamiss na ako ang ulan kada hapon. Maglantaw na lang tas mga panganod. Ug someday, makita na nato ang atong future. Future, a peaceful life.